leaving Gili Air today, heading back to Bali. So I'm just at the harbour. I've checked in on the boat, so we're taking the Semaya One Darmajaya Jet. The check-in office is just here. They've taken our photo, we've checked in. It was a very simple process, and I've got our boarding pass. I'm just going to show you how the boat goes. It is a newer jet, so it's supposed to take 1.5 hours to Padang Bai. So I'll see how that goes. So we're just transferring to the smaller boat. The big boat from Gili Air is too big to dock in the harbour, so we just have to transfer to the little boat that's over there. One tip is just make sure you've paid the harbour tax. It's about 20,000, because they will send you back to do it. So we're just transferring from the smaller boat into the bigger boat. It's quite easy. We're just leaving Bangsal Harbour and we're on the big boat now. So you can see it's like a 4-4 configuration. The seats themselves are quite comfortable and the air conditioning is really strong. I'll provide an update when we get into more open water. So we're just on the boat back from Gili Air to Padang Bai. Pretty quickly you can see the boat's creating a lot of churn, but it's smooth right. Obviously you know you're on the boat, it is rocking around a little bit, but all in all, compared to some of the other boats I've taken back, it is very, very smooth. Hey guys, we're getting off the boat now. It's taken pretty much 2 hours from Gili Air to now, and that includes the transfer onto the boats, etc. The boat is warning you to go straight to the office if you've got a private transfer or a shuttle, and that there are a lot of unauthorized sellers will try to tell you to go with them and then charge you extra. Definitely take note of that, because we've been caught before. Found our driver. Just be mindful, it's always super crazy here. We had paid for, or booked and paid for a private tour, so thankfully he was just there holding the sign for us. So he was quite, so it was quite easy, but there are a lot of unauthorized scalpers trying to get you in.